This week's grammar lesson is about using good versus well and bad versus badly. So you always use good as an adjective, and a reminder that an adjective is a word that tells how many, which kind, which one or ones, and usually will describe a noun, will describe another adjective. And an adverb is a word that's going to usually describe a verb, excuse me. It's going to tell you when, where, how, why, and to what extent or manner. So well may be used as an adverb of manner, telling how ably something is done, or as an adjective meaning in good health. So Malcolm has a good try that again. Malcolm has a good attitude. Good is describing what kind of attitude Malcolm has, and therefore it's an adjective that's correctly used. Malcolm is a good actor, also an adjective describing what kind of actor Malcolm is. Malcolm feels good today. In this case, it's an adjective after the linking verb describing kind of Malcolm, right? Malcolm performed his scene well is an adverb of manner. To what extent did he perform it? He performed it well. Malcolm works well with the other actors. That's an adverb of manner as well. It's how or to what extent he works with the other actors. And then lastly, Malcolm is not well, meaning he is not in good health. You're going to always use bad as an adjective. So it will be used after a linking verb, just like we saw up here with good, right? After the linking verb. And you're going to use badly as an adverb, and it will almost always follow an action verb. That's a verb that, obviously shows action. Okay. Versus the linking verbs. So that was a bad performance. It's describing what kind of performance it was. The clarinets sounded bad describes how they sounded. It's describing the clarinets, because sounded in this case is the linking verb. And then we felt bad about the poor performance. In this case, it's following the linking verb felt. And so it's really describing the noun we. And so then you use bad. And then the mistakes were badly handled. Now we're looking at to what extent were they handled, or how were they handled? Badly. And so that's the adverb describing handled. And then lastly, the chorus saying badly too is describing how they sang. And again, it's sang as a verb. So hopefully that makes sense. So now what does that look like for you for your assignment? You're going to choose the correct word from the drop-down menu in each sentence. Let's start. Joel felt bad about calling his sister insensitive. We choose bad in this case because felt is a linking verb and bad is an adjective describing Joel. And then you move to the next one, and so on and so forth. Reminder that you have you have 20 attempts to do as well as you would like on the assignment. Good luck.